Yeah, thank you. So guys, before going to into the section, so I just wanted to give a small intro about myself. Okay, so I'm Rajendra Prasad Vatla. So I'm a data analytics and the business analytics faculty here. Okay, and I'm a postgraduate in applied statistics from Usmania University. So along with that, I have 5+ years of experience as a senior data scientist. So I'm here to teach you people that how the statistics and probability is going to help you in your data science career. Okay, being a data science people, how you people are going to use the statistics and the probability in your regular day-to-day life. Okay, so that's what we are going to discuss. Okay, so people from online. So I just before going to get into these details, so I just wanted to know about you people also as well. Okay, so you all people are from data science only, right? You're also, yeah. Okay, good, good. So you people are from which faculties, guys? Senapati sir, Omkar sir, or you're from Omkar? Okay, Omkar sir. Okay, Sriram sir. Okay, good, good. Okay, 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 okay. Good, 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 guys. No, it's not new batch actually. See, how you people are going to learn the statistics and probability in your course, same way we are going to teach you this. Okay, so we'll cover as much as we can, and after that, in your regular sessions, the people will do revision type of the same topics. Okay, so that's what. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to know how many of you know that what is statistics. I wanted to know how many of you know what is statistics. Can anyone? See, don't go by more technicalities. Just in a simple layman structure, I just wanted to know what do you mean by statistics. Have you ever heard about the statistics anywhere? People? See, it's a branch of science and applied mathematics focused on collection, organizing, analyzing, interpretation, and presentation of the data. Yeah, good. Any more? Rohit, you directly gave me a definition that is available in the book. Okay. Yeah, good. Anyone? Finding mean, mode, and etc. Yeah, okay. Any more? So we can predict and make analysis on the data. Good, good. Okay, no worries. See, guys, mathematical information about something. Okay, okay. Okay, see, I'll go from the very, very basics to the advanced. Okay, see, guys, first of all, you people think that statistics is something else that we don't know, something else that we need to learn. No, every day we see about the statistic and statistics. For example, I'll give you the small example here itself. See, the number of people in this particular class. How many of people there? 79 people. This is nothing but a statistic. This is nothing but a particular statistics. Okay, so the number of people taking a birth per every minute in India, that is a statistic. Number of people dying in every hour or a minute in India, that is a statistic. Statistics is nothing but a thing or an information that will help you to understand about a particular business or a particular entity or a particular region, a country, or whatever it is. Okay, everywhere we see the statistics. See, whenever you go to education also, for example, you're doing a graduation will be around 3 years. So what is the percentage of your graduation? How do you calculate that percentage? First year score, second year score, third year score. Sum of the scores divided by number of years you studied. That is nothing but average score. So that is also nothing but a statistics. Okay, but statistics is not that simple. We have so many things to learn about the statistics and about the probability. So we'll continue what is this and how it is going to help us in our data science roles. Okay. Yeah, good, good. Collection of data, cleaning, processing, and everything. See, everything that we're already doing, that is nothing but a statistics, but you people don't know that is called as a statistics. That's all. See, guys, whenever you people go to the Python, you people go and do the missing values handling. How do you people handle the missing values? By using mean, median, mode. So what are those statistics? Whenever you go to the outliers, so we need to take care of outliers for sure. So what are the different techniques that you have to use to handle outliers? Z-score, IQR, interquartile range. So all those concepts are nothing but a part of statistics and probability only. Clear? So let's continue. So guys, first we'll see what is statistics. See, the statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting the data. Okay, so guys, statistics is a branch of mathematics or a branch of science which will give you the flexibility of collecting the data, organizing the data, analyzing the data, interpreting the data, and presenting the data. So guys, you might be thinking statistics is calculating mean, median, mode. To calculate mean, median, mode, first of all, you need a data. So where do you get the data? How do you collect the data? See, you people have already observed thing that, for example, you see a central government or a government wanted to launch a new policy. They're trying to know about something else in India or a particular state or a particular city. What they'll do, they'll conduct a survey. They conduct a survey. You might have seen that a few government employees will come with a list of questions. They'll ask you how many people in your house, what is your regular income, is it own house, rent house, do you have a car, a two-wheeler, four-wheeler, like these questions they'll ask. This survey method of collecting the data is nothing but a part of statistics. In statistics, there are two types of data collection techniques. One is primary data, one is secondary data. We'll discuss about those also again. What do you mean by primary data collection means? Primary data is the data that you're collecting at first time. Because the information is not yet generated. You're the one generating the data. Like you're going and asking the people. Coming to the secondary data collection means it's already available in the internet or it's already available in the books so that you're collecting and that you're using. You already have the data, someone published that in the internet or a book that you are using. So that data will become your secondary source of data. Okay, that is nothing but a secondary data collection technique. Okay, no worries, we'll go and see the data collection methods as well. So once the data is collected, see, the data will be completely messy. The data will be completely messy. We need to organize the data. We need to clean the data. Why we need to clean the data? Simple, guys. See, you people also, whenever you go to any a bank or some place, they'll give you a form to fill. There will be a name called your name, full name. Some people will write their name into fully capital letters. Some people will write their name into completely small case. Some people will write in a proper case, first letter capital and remaining all are small. Yes or no? So what is the problem over there means? For example, there is a blank called location. So some people mention capital in Hyderabad, some people mention small letters in Hyderabad. So when I wanted to see the number of people applied from Hyderabad, so what is the condition I'll apply where location is equals to Hyderabad? If I use location is equals to capital Hyderabad, I get only few people. If I use small Hyderabad, I get only few people. You get my point? So I need to collect the data. Once I collect the data, I need to organize the data in a structured manner. Means into rows, into columns, and after eliminating the unwanted things out of it. Okay. Like we need to filter the data and organize the messy data into the structure form. Yes, exactly. Exactly that we are going to do by using statistics only. So no, you people are doing the pre-processing. How you people are doing pre-processing? Missing values handling, outliers detection, checking the distribution whether it is normally distributed or not. All those things comes under statistics only. Okay. After data is cleaned, then we are going to do the analysis. What type of analysis? For example, I'll give you. I just wanted to see the average age of my customers, or I wanted to see which age group of people are more coming to my product or to my business. So depending upon that, I can do plan my business ads. I'll give you the simple example. I hope you people have seen this ad, Santur ad. Santur ad. See, in Santur ad, there will be a famous actor called Mahesh Babu and a female actor. As per our understanding, as per our knowledge, he or should be highlighted. He or should be highlighted in the normal people. But if you see that normal candidate, a female actor comes, and the Mahesh Babu will be surprised by looking at her. Yes or no? Why like that? Why like that means, see, whenever we have analyzed the data related to the Santur soap sales, we could see that majority of the customers are female customers. So we are targeting female customers. So what I did, I calculated the average, or I calculated the mode. I calculated the most frequent gender of customers. So I got to know that female customers are more to my business. So what I'll do, I target those people. So what message I'm conveying, if you are using Santur soap, if Mahesh Babu is surprised by looking at that face, means everybody will get surprised by looking at you. That's I wanted to convey. See how my business strategy is changing. And one more thing also, you go to the Fair and Lovely, and see, same brand, Fair and Lovely for men you have, Fair and Lovely for women also you have. Same branding, same quality, same output. See, the actors will be changing. Okay, the people promoting the men's product will be completely a men, and people people doing the publicity for female things or Fair and Lovely for women, completely female actors will be available. So this is how the statistics is going to help you to take decisions, analyzing and presenting the data. Presenting the data. See guys, you people seen that visualization part, data visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn. In that you go and build a histogram, kernel density estimator. See, you people are thinking that just a function. No, it's a statistical concept. Histogram is a statistical concept. Kernel density estimator is a statistical part. Okay, so everything that you people are already doing, it's a part of statistics. But you people don't know that is the statistics. That is the only difference. Clear? So that's what. See, it's about extracting the meaningful insights from the raw information. And statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and even organizing the data. It provides methods for drawing the meaningful conclusions from the data. Just now I mentioned, the statistics will help you to take a key points out of the data, or meaningful conclusions, or better decisions about your business out of the data. This allows a researchers and a data scientist to make an informed decisions based on the data. And you might be surprised that, sir, why we are learning the statistics and probability here. See, in data science or data analytics, the statistics provides the foundation for understanding the patterns. See, if you're looking at the sales, year on year, the sales are increasing or decreasing. Which age group of people are coming more? What is the minimum age customers? What is the maximum age customers? Like all the patterns that you wanted to understand, then you need to go and learn statistics. And even making the predictions. See, when you people are going to learn about the machine learning concepts, linear regression, logistic regression, elastic regression, lasso regression, k-means clustering, k-nearest neighborhood, all the supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms are the part of statistics. You people might have learned linear regression. It's just not a model, it's not just a function. It's a pure statistical concept. So in this, we are going to learn how this linear regression is going to work in the backend to do the predictions. Okay, see, what is the job of data scientists? They'll understand, they analyze the historical data, they'll identify the patterns, and they'll give the same structured data along with the model to a machine. Then the machine will try to understand the data, the machine will try to identify the patterns by its own self. Then depending upon the pattern, whenever you give a new data, it will try to check with the previous patterns. Have I seen anything like this in previous? If I have seen that, then depending upon that, I'll give you the prediction. Yes, fraud or non-fraud. If you're coming into the classification of email, whether an email is a spam email or non-spam, how it is going to classify? By using statistical algorithms. By using statistical algorithms, it will be predicting about the future. Okay, so making the prediction and validating the hypothesis. For example, guys, you are in a business, or for example, I'm running a what you call pharma company, and recently I have invented a particular drug. I just wanted to launch it into the market. How can I launch? Can I go and directly launch it into the market? No, it's not possible because you don't know the reactions of a particular drug. And coming to the medicine, guys, see, simple example, you take this paracetamol 250. The same paracetamol works differently with one person and differently for other person. The reactions will be different depending upon the body, okay, depending upon the body condition and depending upon the food they are taking. Yes or no? So same way, whenever you are about to launch a drug, what you do means you collect a sample of few people, and on the sample of few people, you give this particular drug, and then you record the reactions of those people, how they are reacting. Then depending upon the reaction, you wanted to take a decision. You are in a hypothetical situation. You don't know whether the drug is going to be successful or not successful, whether the drug is going to be effective or non-effective. You don't know. You are in a dilemma. You are in a hypothetical state. So you need to test. Whether my drug is going to be successful or my drug is going to be a failure, or my drug is going to be effective or non-effective. You need to test this. Okay. So sir, I'll go and I'll guess. Means the guesswork will never work in the reality. Guessing work will never work in a reality because we are spending some crores of rupees in the business, so I cannot play with my life or with my entire business. So you have two hypothetical statements. Then by using hypothesis concept from statistics, we test which statement is good. We try to collect the proof whether to accept the statement 1 or statement 2. Then we go by taking the decision whether to launch it or not. That is also will be available in statistics. And drawing the reliable conclusions from the data. You see guys, whatever the explanation I'm giving, you people might have already concluded that everywhere you have a statistics. Being a business person, even being a normal person also, in your regular day-to-day life, we need to use statistics. Without statistics, we do nothing. See, you people will say a normal English statement. See, for example, you're going home for holidays. One of your friends from the hostel asking you that when you will return. You'll say most probably Monday or Tuesday. People will say most probably I'll come by Monday or Tuesday. What do you mean by most probably? There is a high chance there is a high percentage of chance I'll be coming on Monday or Tuesday. There is a very less chance that I might not come on Monday or Tuesday. You don't know that is a statistics, but people are using already. So that is nothing but it. So that's why it's very, very important to learn the statistics, and it's very, very important to know how the statistics will be used in your data science role. Get my point? Okay. See guys, as you people know, to do any predictions, to do any analysis, data is very important. So first of all, we'll go and try to understand what are the different types of data that we have in real time. Okay. See guys, people in online, is this clear guys what I'm trying to explain? Are any questions? Are you people are not able to connect with me? Then let me know. I'll try to explain in other ways. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. See guys, I'll be continuously watching your messages over here. You have any doubt, you have any question, you need any clarity, immediately ping here. I'll go and check and I'll try to resolve your problems. Okay. Good. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So first we'll go and see what are the different types of data that we have. Okay. Basically, the data is divided into two types. One is quantitative data and another one is qualitative data. One is quantitative data, another one is qualitative data. First, we'll see about quantitative data. What is this quantitative data? See, quantitative data involves numerical measurements. Any value or any output or any result that is in the number format. I'm talking about number. So then it is known as a quantity. If you are measuring in terms of numbers, then it is known as a quantitative data. Age of a particular customer, numerical value. Height of a particular person, weight of a particular person, number of sales, minimum sale, maximum profit. All these numbers comes into the quantitative data. You clear? So even the quantitative data is again divided into two types. What are those? Discrete data and continuous data. This data, the quantitative data is again divided into discrete data and continuous data. No worries, I'll share the document. Okay, no worries guys. Whatever I'm going to discuss every day, I'll share everyday notes in the classroom. Okay, we will be creating a classroom, or else I'll share the same document with your corresponding faculties. They'll upload it to the classroom, then people can collect this particular information. No worries. Okay, see guys, and I have a habit of presenting everything in the PPT only. I don't use these graphic pads and all. Everything, even the problem, calculations, everything will be available in the presentation file itself. I'll explain very clearly along with an Excel files and some Python codes. Then I'll explain how to calculate all those things. Okay, no worries. Okay, you get each and everything documented with your classroom. Okay, good. So let's see about discrete data. See, discrete data consists of distinct, separate values that can only take a specific individual values, usually integers. Let me simplify this definition for you. See guys, discrete data is nothing but an exact value. Discrete data is nothing but a non-fractional value. Discrete data is nothing but a non-fractional value, non-floating value. Discrete data is nothing but a non-fractional data or non-floating data. That is nothing but a discrete data. Let me give you the example. The number of students in a classroom. How you can say the number of students means 20, 30 or 40? Can we say that in a classroom we have 22.5 students? Means one person kept half body in this classroom and half body in another classroom. No, it's not possible. So you're giving an exact number. You're giving an exact value. It's not a floating, it's not a fractional. So that is known as a discrete data. See the examples, the number of students in a classroom, the number of cars in a parking lot. How you say 10 cars, 20 cars, 30 cars? Can we say that we have 5.5 cars parked in this? Means when someone came, half car parked in my parking lot and half car in another parking lot. Will it be possible? No. So these are the examples for discrete data. And the key points you people should remember about the discrete data is it can take only the specific countable values. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. See guys, simple. Integers are nothing but discrete data. Okay. And this discrete data cannot be subdivided into smaller parts. For example, you cannot have 2.5 students. You have only one. You cannot divide that into two parts. Subdivisions you cannot do it. So that is nothing but discrete data. That is nothing but a discrete data. Next, another type of quantitative data is continuous data. See, opposite of discrete data is nothing but a continuous data. Continuous data is a data which will take infinite number of values. Which means floating point numbers or fractional points are nothing but continuous data. Why I'm telling you this continuous data will take infinite number of values means, let's say my weight, I'm talking about the weight. Weight is around 45.2 grams or whatever it is. That 45.2 can also be written as 45.20. Yes or no? That can also be written as a 45.200. That can also be written as a 45.2000000 like that. So infinite value you can represent. Yes or no? So that's why continuous data is the data that can take a range of values or infinite number of values or a floating point number or a fractional point number are the examples for continuous data. You see, let's go and see the examples. If you are measuring the height of a particular person, see, no person can be exactly 160 centimeters. 1 millimeter will be different. At least 1 millimeter will be different. For example, you're talking about the weight of a particular person. Can anyone give me an assurance that a person exactly 50 kgs? Exactly 50 kgs. Let's say 50 kgs. Before going into the weighing machine, he drank the water. That's all. Weight increases. If he's eating something, weight will increase. Yes or no? Obvious. So the weight is not a fixed number. It is not a fixed number. It's a floating point number. Like we say 45.5 kgs, 52.2 kgs. So that's why it is known as a continuous data. And also the temperature of a particular person or a temperature of a weather temperature also. Everything comes under this. Even the distance is also the example for continuous data. How do you measure the distance? 2.5 kilometers, 4.5 kilometers. So like that only. So these are the examples for continuous data. And the key points to remember when you people are going to work with the continuous data is, continuous data can take an infinite number of values within a range and can be measured to an arbitrary level of precision. Means, say, fractional values or floating point numbers are the examples about the continuous data. Okay, this can be subdivided into smaller intervals. Means the time can be measured in seconds, milliseconds, hours. See, 1 hour can be subdivided into 60 minutes. You remember, the 60 minutes can be subdivided into how much? 60 minutes, 45 seconds. 60 minutes, 45 seconds. Even the seconds subdivided. How? For example, you see 10 seconds. 10 seconds, there will be some milliseconds are lower to that. So like that, when you are able to subdivide, then that is known as a continuous data. Clear? So this is about discrete data and continuous data. See, sometimes the person weight, when you are measuring, it is giving you 50 kgs means, see, in the machine, you cannot see the milligrams. You cannot see the milligrams. That is the only problem. Okay. So don't consider that whenever you see the weight as a 50, it's a discrete. No, weight is obviously it's a continuous data. Okay. Don't go by the output that you're getting. Try to understand the most probable outcomes. Most probable outcomes. See, most frequently we get the weight in floating point only. So that is fixed. It's a continuous data. Get my point? Is this clear, Rudra? Good. So this is about the quantitative data. Next we see about another data type, that is qualitative. Just now I mentioned the data is divided into two types: quantitative data, qualitative data. The quantitative data again divided into two types. One is continuous data, one is discrete data. Clear? Now we see about the qualitative data. Simple guys, you already know that what is the qualitative data. Qualitative data describes the qualities or attributes. If you are talking about the categorical data, means you have any data that is consist of strings. The strings represent about the quality measurement. Then that is known as a qualitative data, or also known as a categorical data. Also known as a categorical data. For example, in your data, you have a gender column. How the gender will be represented, male or female. So it's a string. So this is an example for qualitative data. For example, you are eating a food. Someone came and asking you, what is the taste? How is the taste? Good, bad, ugly. Good, bad, worst, awesome, very good, very bad. All these statements, you are giving the measurement in terms of quality. You are giving a measurement in terms of quality. So those are the examples for qualitative data. See how quantitative data is divided into two subsections, like discrete and continuous. Same way, qualitative data is also subdivided into two subtypes. What are those? One is nominal scale. Another one is ordinal scale data. Or you can simply say that nominal data and ordinal data. What? So those are the examples for qualitative data. See how quantitative data is divided into two subsections, like discrete and continuous. Same way, qualitative data is also subdivided into two subtypes. What are those? One is nominal scale. Another one is ordinal scale data. Or you can simply say that nominal data and ordinal data. See guys, it is very, very important to know the difference between nominal data and ordinal data. Why means, and see, have you people see this variable encoding concept? If people know anyone variable encoding concept in machine learning? Variable encoding? No? Anyone from online? People from online? Anyone have any idea about variable encoding? No? Yeah, one hot encoding, that one. Standardization and normalization? Yeah. See, whenever you go to the variable encoding, there are different types of variable encodings. One hot encoding, ordinal encoding. One hot encoding, ordinal encoding. So many types of different techniques we have. There, which type of encoding technique should I use on my data will be described by the type of the data. Whether it is nominal data, we use one type of technique, like label encoding, one hot encoding, ordinal encoding. Okay, we have so many types. So depending upon the data type only, you are going to use the encoding technique. If it is a nominal data, we use one method. If it is ordinal, we use one method. If it is a target variable, we use one method. So to check this type of label encoding, we must know the difference between what is the nominal data, what is the ordinal data. We see what is that. Before going to see about nominal, let me go and explain about the ordinal data first. If you know this, then it can easily differentiable for nominal. See guys, whenever you people are learning, before going to by heart the definitions on all those things, try to understand the name. Try to understand the name. See, in Python, there are the naming rules. Python or any. What is the naming rule? Your name should be always a descriptive about what you're trying to do. What you're trying to do. Yes or no? Your names should be always a descriptive about the functionality that you're trying to do. See, for example, by using Python, you're creating a function to check whether a number is even or odd. What function name you give? Even or odd. Function name. Why you're giving? Why can't you give that positive or negative? See, you are creating a function in Python to check whether the given number is even or odd. So what type of name you give? Even or odd only for function name. Instead of that, you go and give positive or negative. What happens? You know, you only created the name wantedly, but after sometimes you by yourself get confused. Why I'm doing even or odd and why I gave you the name as a positive or negative? Yes or no? So to avoid confusions, we need a descriptive names. Here also, ordinal data. Ordinal means orders. Ordinal means orders. Means the ordinal scales allows for the data that can be ranked in order. You have the qualities. If you are able to assign the ranks to the qualities, then that is known as a ordinal data. Then that is known as a ordinal data. Okay. So that is known as a ordinal data. What do you mean by ordinal data? Also, I'll give you the small example. See, for example, I'm talking about the educational qualification. In India, we know how we rank the educational qualification. PhD. PhD comes first, next post graduation, next undergraduation, next graduation, next intermediate, next SSC. Yes or no? First rank for PhD, second rank for post graduation or BTech, next graduation, next intermediate, next schooling, secondary schooling. Yes or no? So like that we give the ranks. So you have the quality and you are able to give the ranks to that, then that is known as a ordinal data. For example, even though you are talking about quality like customer satisfaction, you see the examples, guys. Educational level, high school, bachelor's, master's, customer satisfaction, poor, fair, good, excellent. So in this, how you give the rank? Excellent is high priority, so first rank. Second high priority, good, so second rank. The third high priority is fair, 3, and the last one is poor. You're able to give the ranks, right? So this is known as a ordinal data. This is nothing but a ordinal data. Means a qualitative data where you are able to assign the ranks to each and every quality, that is known as a ordinal data. No guys, it's not like that we are going to use statistics only with Python. No, you can do all the statistical concepts by using Python, even by using Excel, even by using SQL also you can work with the statistical concepts. But being a data science people, we are going to use the Python more because it's a very flexible coding platform. coding programming language, and every day there are outside the developers, they are inventing new libraries to simplify the work, to automate the work. That's why we people are going to use Python more. Okay, even in our sessions also, I'll help you in calculating the statistics by using Excel, and also I'll show you how we are going to do calculations of this all by using Python with some specific libraries. Okay, I'll show you by using Excel, and also I'll show by using Python itself. Okay, is this clear, Mohammed? See, I don't know exact name of you. Yeah, good, good, good. Even though you can calculate the statistics without a technical tool, guys, pen and paper also you can use it. Okay, that's right. Next, opposite of ordinal data is nothing but a nominal data. Opposite of ordinal data is nothing but a nominal, means you have the qualities where you cannot give a rank. You have the qualities where you cannot assign any ranks. For example, I'm talking about gender. First of all, gender, male or female, qualitative data. Can I say that male is greater than female? Female is greater than male. Can we give any ranks? No. No, we cannot give it. So that is an example for nominal data. See, nominal scale or a nominal data is the simplest level of measurement. It involves the data that can be categorized into distinct groups, but cannot be ranked, cannot be ordered. See the examples: gender, male or female; blood type. Can anyone say that O positive is high priority than the remaining one? No. Everybody have their own priority, so you cannot assign any ranks to the blood groups. Coming to the marital status column: single, married, and divorced. Can anyone say that single people are high priority, married people are not? Can we give a rank? No. So these are the examples for nominal data. These are the examples for nominal data. Sir, I also heard about inferential and descriptive statistics. What does it mean? No worries, Shashi Kumar. Slowly we'll go one by one. Now we are going an introduction about statistics. What is the data? Then we'll see about what is the descriptive statistics. Everything we have. Have documented here. See, we are going there only. What is the descriptive statistics? What is inferential statistics? What are the applications of statistics in data science? The levels, everything we'll discuss. No worries, Shashi Kumar. Slowly, I'll take you in depth. It's a day one, so I just wanted to give you the flexibility of understanding the concepts. What is statistics? How we are going to use? Where you are going to use? Then we'll go in depth. Clear? Good. See, so this is about the qualitative data, and these are the two types of data that we have in qualities: nominal and ordinal. Is this clear? So this is about this, guys. Next, next. See, guys, the statistics is again subdivided into two subtopics. The statistics have two types. Basically, we are going to learn about two types of statistics. One is descriptive statistics. One is inferential statistics. One is descriptive statistics. One is inferential statistics. As I mentioned, guys, try to understand the name itself. Try to understand the name itself. Okay. See, when I say descriptive statistics, which means describing. What do you mean by describe? Say I'm coming and asking, describe about yourself. Or whenever you go to the interview, the first question, tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Describe me about yourself. Yes or no? Same question. What do you mean by that? When someone asks you that question, what do people answer? You start describing. My name is this. My educational qualification is this. I have a hands-on this so-and-so technologies. I have so-and-so years of experience. You're describing about yourself, which will help the interviewer to understand more about you. Yes or no? See guys, whenever you go to the interview, the interviews will be two types. Okay, so interview will be going through the concepts that you mentioned in the resume, and other way of interview decided by the interviewer. Means what are the questions they wanted to ask? They have already decided. They'll ask you only that. But 95% of the interviews will be going through your resume. Whatever you mention in your resume, they'll ask you the questions related to only those. Related to only those means whenever you're describing about yourself, you mentioned that I'm very good at statistics. Then immediately they start asking you the questions about statistics. Why? Means you're describing. The description helps the people to understand more about yourself, so that I can understand. See guys, whenever you collect the data, it is very before going to analyze what is the data, you need to understand what is this data is talking about. Is the data talking about sales? Is the data talking about profit? You need to understand. So by using the descriptive statistics, which will help you to understand more about the data. What is this actually? What is trying to say? What you can understand out of this particular data? Like you're collecting the data. What is the minimum sale amount, maximum sale amount, average sale amount? Okay, whether your sales are increasing or decreasing year on year. You remember which gender is my most frequent customer gender? All these things comes under the descriptive statistics. Clear? So this is the descriptive statistics, which will describe you about your data, which will give you description about your business. Clear? So in the descriptive statistics, we are going to learn about the three important key concepts. Okay, see, statistics is divided into two types. One is descriptive and inferential. Again, the descriptive statistics have three different parts. One is measures of central tendency. Another one is measures of dispersion. And the third one is data visualization. By using these three tools, by using these three concepts, we are going to give a description about your data. Clear? So let me explain what is this measures of central tendency in simple structure. Okay, see guys, whenever you wanted to inquire about a particular college, you get my point? You wanted to join in a particular college. So what you'll do, you go and inquire. You go and inquire. For example, you're going and asking a mathematics teacher. You're going and asking a mathematics teacher, sir, what about the science classes in this particular school? Will they teach practically the science or not? Physics, chemistry? How can a mathematical person can answer this question? Not possible. Randomly, you're going and asking a particular attender. Attender does not know full information. A particular teacher cannot have a full information. So what you'll see, there will be a central body called principal. There is a person called principal. There will be a person called HOD, head of the department. So what you'll do, he is the central person. He is the representation of the entire college. So you go and ask the principal, what are the courses available in this? What is the fee for each course? Will they teach practically or impractically? Every information will be given by that particular central person. Central person. And even though, I'll give you one more example. See, usually there will be a competitions like quiz competitions or anything. So in that, for example, state government is running a particular competition related to a quiz. Okay, general knowledge. So what happens? 10 schools are selected or 20 schools are selected. In every school, there will be around 20,000 students or 1,000 students. Simple, 1,000. Let's go by 1,000. Will it be possible to send all the 1,000 students to the competition? Will they send? No. They select one bright student out of the college or out of the school and they'll send that person to the competition because this person will be the representation of the entire school or entire college. If the person wins, they don't say the person got the medal. They'll say this particular college got the medal. This particular college got the first prize. Means instead of talking about all the data, instead of talking and measuring all the students' IQ level, we go and present a particular person who is the center of attraction of our school, who is the central person, who is the representation of our entire data. That is nothing but central tendency. We need to identify what is the central point. We need to identify who is the central person to represent. That is nothing but measures of central tendency. In measures of central tendency, we find a central point which will help you to understand about all the remaining data points. Or central point is a point around which the remaining data points are surrounded. The example for measures of central tendency is the average. If I'm talking about average revenue for every day is 20,000 rupees. What I mean to say that every day, there is a high chance that I can get a revenue about 20,000 rupees on an average. Means when I collected the data, most frequently, every day I used to get 20,000 rupees as a revenue or a profit. So like that, you're going to find the measures of central tendency. Okay. So again, we'll discuss in depth. Okay. So in the measures of central tendency, we are going to see about mean, median, mode. I'll explain you why we are calculating mean. You already have calculating mean, then why we need to calculate median? Okay, I'm calculating mean, median. Then why should I need mode? Everything I'll explain you with a detailed layman structure relating to the real time. Okay, regularly, how we use in our regular day-to-day life. Okay, that's all. Next, measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion. See, this in depth I'll explain when we're going to discuss about this particular thing. And data visualization, histograms, kernel density estimator plots, box plots, all the visualizations will also help you to get the descriptive information about your business or about your data. So this is about the small introduction about descriptive statistics. Okay, so people in online, is this clear, guys? What is the descriptive statistics and what are the concepts that we are going to learn in the descriptive statistics? Good. Just a minute, guys. Good. So now we see about the second type of statistics, that is inferential statistics. Okay, see, before going to read these statements, whatever I mentioned here, let me go and explain in the simple example what is inferential statistics. Okay, what is inferential statistics means? You tell me, guys. I'm the government central body. I'm the central body. I wanted to launch a new policy into India. Or I'm the person. I'm doing a research on. Let's say what will be the average height of a Indian men. You get my point? I wanted to do a research about the average height height levels, how the heights are variating about the Indian men. So this is my concept. This is my objective. So to do that, you tell me in India how many crores of people that we have. Let's say randomly I'm giving. Let's say 20 crores. Out of all those things, let's say I have 20 crores of men in India. You people tell me. I wanted to find what is the average height of Indian men. So what is the average? Some of the observations by number of observations. Some of the observations mean I need each and everyone's height. You tell me. Practically, will it be possible to go and measure the 20 crores people height? Will it be possible? No. It's impractical. It's not at all possible. Even though you tell me, guys, I'm talking about Indian men. Half of the Indian men went to the countries, other countries like USA, UK, they are already settled over there. So if I say India means I need that fellow also. So I have to wait the person to come to India, and I need to book a flight ticket, and I have to go to USA. I need to collect the data. Will it be possible? Will it be possible? It is not at all possible. So in that case, what we are going to do is we collect a sample people. We collect a sample people. Depending upon the sample result, we believe the same result will be coming out of the entire population. You get my point? So if you wanted to see the average height of an Indian people, you randomly select a few villages. In the villages, you randomly select a few men, then measure their height. From the sample, you got a sample mean, the average height of the sample people. The average height of the sample people. Let's say you got around 165 centimeters. So what you do, whatever the output you got from the sample, you infer, you believe the same statement will be true for the entire population. So what you see, all the Indian men will also going to have the average height around 165 centimeters. Okay? Inferential statistics is nothing but if you are trying to study about a particular entity or a particular population, then you took a sample, you collect a sample. From the sample, you apply some statistical concepts. By using the statistical concepts, you get some output. You believe the same statements or the same result or the same output will be true for the entire population. So you are inferring from the sample. So that's why it is known as inferential statistics. By looking at the sample, you're taking the decision about the entire population. That is nothing but inferential statistics. Okay. See guys, okay, any statistical concept, you get some output. You believe the same statements or the same result or the same output will be true for the entire population. So you are inferring from the sample. So that's why it is known as inferential statistics. By looking at the sample, you're taking the decision about the entire population. That is nothing but inferential statistics. Okay. See guys, can anyone give me an example that have you people ever used inferential statistics in your real time? People in online? Can anyone give me an example? Have you ever people used inferential statistics in your regular day-to-day life? Forget about technicalities, data science. I'm not talking about data science, nothing at all. General, regular life. Online people or offline? Can anyone? I gave you the explanation, right? Can anyone relate that? Sir, I have used here, I used there. Both polling yes. Okay. Any more? Any more guys? Prediction entrance exam. Okay. Okay. Anywhere? Predicting election results. Yeah, good, good. Polling, yes. Yes. Every year we see this polling. The TV channels, something is famous, then they'll put a debate. They'll start collecting the opinions of the people. Yes or no? So that is also market trend analysis, good, good. Choosing the restaurant based on the reviews. The recent voting in Maharashtra, good. Calculating the shop profit. See, I'll give you one funny example. Simple and funny example where the inferential statistics will be used every day. Even your mother, your grandmother also used this particular inferential statistics. How? You people cook rice. You people cook rice. Nowadays, you people are using rice cooker. But back in days, we used to cook on the rice, on the stove, right? How to check whether the rice is boiled or not? You go and check each and every rice bin, whether it is boiled or not. Will it be possible? If you keep on testing also, all the rice will be damaged. It's not suitable for eating again if you test each and every rice bin. Yes or no? Whenever you're cooking a rice, if you wanted to check whether the rice is boiled or not, what do? You take a sample of 2 to 3 rice bins, then you check it. If these 2 rice bins are boiled, then all the rice bins will also be boiled. Means you're taking a sample. whatever the results you're getting from the sample, you're inferring, you're believing the same will be true for the entire population. This is nothing but a inferential statistics. This is nothing but a inferential statistics. Whenever you go to any shopping mall, you wanted to buy a new cloth, what you do? You check a sample of it. You check a sample of it. If you're going to buy a perfume, what you do? First, you spray 1 or 2 sprays on your hand, then you smell it. If it is okay, then you buy the bottle. Yes or no? What you're doing? You're testing on the sample. If the sample smell is good, then the entire perfume smell is also good. You clear? I'm telling you guys, from your schooling onwards till now, you people are already using statistics, but you people don't know. Yeah, this is a statistical concept. Yes or no? See, everybody knowingly or unknowingly use this rice example. Whenever they're cooking rice, they'll check whether the rice is boiled or not. You don't know that is an inferential statistics concept. Okay, so like that. See guys, like this only every concept we relate to the real time in our regular day-to-day life, where we can use, where we have already used. Okay, like that I'll relate everywhere. Okay, so this is about the inferential statistics. So this is about the inferential statistics. See, the same thing I mentioned here. Inferential statistics allows a data scientist to make a generalization about a population, based on the sample data. Generalization means, see guys, even though if I wanted to check the performance of this particular classroom students, randomly I'll ask few questions, 1 or 2 questions. Nobody is responding. Nobody is answering me. What I'll do? I'll get a generalized statement. All the students in this particular classroom is useless, are dull, are bright students, merit students. Yes or no? By looking at few samples, I'm giving a generalization about the entire classroom. So that is nothing but inferential statistics based on sample. It helps you to answer the questions like what is the likelihood that the observed data is due to chance or what? See, means by using inferential statistics, you can do the predictions about the future.
Sir,
by looking at the history, you can do the predictions about what is going to be happening in the future. Okay. See,
am I audible, sir? Online people, let me know in the chat box. Am I audible or not? Yes, yes. Okay, remaining. Okay, are you able to see the screen, right? Yes, sir. No, sir. Are you able to see the screen? Okay. Yeah. Sir, yesterday, what did I say? Your batch. Sir, a bag అక్కడ పెట్టేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో నిన్న వచ్చిన బ్యాచ్ మీరు? Yes, sir, I'm able to see your screen. Okay. So what about the last class? The last one? Your batch first day, right? Like a demo session wise, not a demo, like some questions. Okay. Yeah, freezing and list. Okay, sir. Okay. I open your box. Python, KBHP, OS, Python, DS for KBHP. Okay. Okay. Sir, what is the shell, sir? What is the shell? Sir, ఇదే మీ స్క్రీన్. ఓకే, అరే ఓకే, గట్టి కూడా 10 మంది లేరు కాబట్టి ఓకే మీకు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే సార్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద షెల్? Interface between OS and user. The interface between the user and operating system. Sir, how the shell is the working? The shell takes input from the user and tells to the OS to execute that commands. Yes or no, sir? Display problem, huh? Okay. Okay, sir. The next one, sir. Yeah, what did I say yesterday? Okay, Python version installation. Okay. Now, installation. Jupyter installation. Okay. Sir, open my CMD. Okay, sir. This is our shell. Shell is what, sir? Non-GUI interface. Okay. Sir, this is my shell. Sir, in this case, sir, the first thing, sir, here. Sir, already my laptop has some Jupyter version. Yes, sir, no, sir. Now I want to install one more time. Sir, when you install one more time, then you what, sir? Overwrite the version. Yes, sir, no, sir. Overwrite the version. Then how to handle? That means, sir, like a simple thing, sir, dual space memory, like a mobile phones. Do you have any idea dual mobile phones? Same mobile, but you can handle the 2 spaces. Dual space, sir. Maybe parallel space. The option is the parallel space. Sir, what do they mean parallel space, sir? Both are independent. As no, sir. Sir, whatever the working or whatever the saving in a left hand mobile, it doesn't depend on the right hand. If you assume 2 right hands, okay, 2 hands. As no, sir. The same thing, sir. I want to create some separate space. Some separate space, like sir, like C drive and D drive. Simple like that. Both are different. No, sir. I want to download some images in C drive. It doesn't go to the D drive. Both are separate. The same thing, sir. I want to create my workspace. The nothing but virtual environment. Sir, what is the VENV? Virtual environment. V for virtual, ENV for environment. Sir, what is the meaning here? Sir, VENV means, sir, isolated workplace. Isolated workplace. Sir, what does it mean, sir? It is to overcome the conflict. Avoid the conflict. Avoid the conflict versions. Simple test to separate two independencies. To separate different independencies. Sir, independent means what, sir? Library. Okay. In the real-time case, sir, we are calling independencies, not a library. Library is the like dictionary word. Okay, sir. In the real-time cases, you are calling about the independencies. Independent means libraries. Okay, sir. Now the first thing, sir, here, VENV. Yeah. Now what is, sir, here? It is nothing but isolated workplace. Okay, sir. The main aim for to create separate memory and to avoid version conflict. Okay, sir. It maintain different memory with different independencies with version. Okay, sir. What's the meaning here? Sir, it maintain different memory and different independencies with versions. Okay, sir. In this case, sir, now I want to create my temporary or permanent one memory. That is what, sir, VENV. Sir, how to create, sir? In this case, sir, simply, what, sir, here? That means install, pip install, and VENV and variable name. Sir, by default, sir, in data science, people are using Anaconda. Anaconda is the one VENV by default. So many people, sir, like who people are using the VS Code system, the people are using VENV is the some virtual environment. Okay, any name, sir. Okay, what is the syntax, sir, here? Pip install VENV variable name. Now the same thing. Pip install VENV. VENV. My virtual environments are simply anything, sir, here. Okay. Dot VENV or simply dot ENV. My name is what, sir? That is my name. That is my variable name. Dot ENV. Now run on, sir, here. Required ENV is expired package name at the start with the dependence. Okay, it doesn't take. Okay, directly can take the ENV only. No matching found for. Oh, what? Python expert the package name. Sorry, sir. Okay. Pip, my env, right? Python. Sorry, Python M virtual environment. Sorry, sir. Env, right? Python M virtual env and variable name. Not a library. That is the one workspace. Now env, sir, here dot r virtual in env. Yeah, created. Okay, sir. Now my variable is the created. Sir, how I can show the variable here? How I can see the variable here? Now that is one, sir, here. Sir, when you create the variable, the first one, sir, here, activate. Activate. Second one, sir, here, deactivate. Two options are here. Activate and deactivate. Okay, sir. Sir, how to activate here? That means, sir, here, your source code. What's your variable name here? This is my variable name. Now you can call variable and name and backslash. Okay, sir. Okay. Next one, sir, here, script. Now activate. So same thing, sir. In this is the Windows. Windows, sir. The same thing, sir. Linux. Linux. That is forward slash and bin. Linux and Mac. Many all the people using the Windows only. Yes or no, sir? Maybe like DevOps people are using the Linux, but all the data science people are using the Windows only. Now what is sir here? Variable name and backslash and scripts and activate. This is activate my variable. Okay. Now, sir, how to deactivate, sir? This is the deactivate. Sir, when you complete your work, definitely you can close the deactivate. That is the better practice. Now I can here. What's sir here? My variable name env and scripts. Now activate. Okay. Activate. What's here? This is what's here? This is your memory activated. Okay, sir. In this case, sir, when you write the commands, okay, sir, these are completely different from the actual memory. Why this is separate? Sir, no, sir. Whatever the installation now, it doesn't depend on the original memory. Clear? Now, sir, in this case, before that, wait here. Open the one more CMD. Pip install Jupyter Notebook. Already satisfied. Sir, no, sir. Now I want to run my command in my different workplace. Okay, sir. That is pip install. Pip install what, sir, here? Notebook. Okay. Now I want to check it out, sir, here. Now it's sir, downloading the purpose. So, sir, already in this case, sir, this is my actual memory. Yeah, this is the actual my body. Sir, no, sir. But whatever the downloading here, I want to create it separated. This is the VENV, virtual environment. Both are different, sir. Okay, sir. Whatever the downloading, whatever the installing, it doesn't conflict. In this case, sir, how to handle the number of projects? This is the way. Okay, sir. I want to handle number of projects. Then you have to create virtual environment first. Sir, very important simple thing, sir. If you open the any GitHub any source code, definitely there is one file VENV file. VENV. What is the meaning here? In this case, that is separate independencies. It holds separate independencies. Okay, sir. Very important, sir. Sir, I am new. I get a record session, sir. Sir, if you have any doubts for the recording, okay, you may contact with the admin only. No, sir, deactivate to close the file simply. Active the file, close the file. You know, right? File handling complete. Complete file handling. File handling means, sir, file handling means what, sir? File equal to open, file dot close. What is the close, sir? The close means, sir, whatever the writing, whatever the reading, it completely close it. Simple one thing, sir, here. Okay. Today only file handle. Okay. Yeah. Now, in this case, sir, file equal to and open. Okay, sir. Now file my path file dot txt and some any REN. Sir, file dot and read. What's sir here? Read the data. Okay, sir, I want to close it. I want to close the file. In this case, what, sir? It doesn't return anything. That means that is the close only, not a completely erase. Clear, sir? In this case, sir, when you remove the close button, what's sir here? Automatically return the output. The same thing, sir. When you deactivated, that is the close it. When you activate, automatically active. Not a problem. Okay. Now, D. DE, right? DE activate. Okay, before that. Okay, spelling is completely. Okay. Now your sir, that is the deactivate. Clear, sir? Now your sir. Sir, this is my previous memory. Now, sir, actual C drive. Clear. Now, the same thing, sir. I want to activate it. Activated. Now I want install. Or sir, yeah. Install notebook. Check it out, sir. What happens, sir? Already installed. Yes or no, sir? It doesn't delete anything here. Yes or no, sir? That is the activate and deactivate. Activate means simply open the file. Deactivate means close the file. Simple like that. Okay, sir. This is the first thing, or sir, VENV. Are you clear, sir? Yeah. Now, where is your file? Yeah. Yeah. That is what, sir. Deactivate. Spelling okay. That is what, sir. Virtual environment. Are you clear, sir? That is the first thing. Next one, sir. Yeah. Yeah. What is the -m, sir? Yeah. That is the flag name on module. It indicates module. Next thing, sir. Yeah. PIP. PIP. Sir, why we have to taking about the pip means? Because I want to install a NumPy. How to install NumPy, sir? Then what is the pip here? That is, sir, yeah, Python install packages. Okay, sir. In this case, sir, the main aim for download and install for Python external libraries. Okay, sir. So if you have any spelling mistake, leave it. You can correct that. Okay, sir. Yeah. So the main aim for what, sir? Download and install for Python external libraries. Yes, sir. No, sir. In this case, this is the pip. Okay, sir. Pip is nothing but the main aim. Download and install for Python external libraries. Okay, sir. Yeah. From Python package index. That is the PI. Sorry. PI. Wait. Small or capital I symbol. Wait, sir. Check it once here. Small or capital I. Yeah, capital only. Okay, sir. So this is the term, sir. Here you have to follow the same term. Okay, sir. Sir, in this case, sir, how the pip is the run? How the pip is the working? The pip work from where, sir? This is the py. Wait, cursor కనిపిస్తుంది cursor, బట్ ఇక్కడ కనిపించట్లేదు, నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు. ఓకే ఓకే సార్. Sir, how the pip is the working? How the pip install libraries? That is what, sir? That is the one package. Okay, sir. The the pip install and download for external libraries. Okay, sir. From PyPI. That is the Python package index. Okay, sir. From this Python package index, those libraries are installed. Are you clear? Yeah. Now, what is the package, sir? Yeah. What is the package, sir? Yeah. Collection of modules and sub packages. Okay, sir. It should have dot underscore what, sir? Yeah. Init dot py empty file. What? మీకు చెప్పలేదు మీకు ప్యాకేజ్ అవ్వలేదా? ఓకే okay. Sir, inside this is the empty file, sir. Sir, it indicate that is the package. Sir, what, sir, package means, sir? One folder. If you assume, sir, one folder. Simply, sir, I assume, sir, like all of them maybe Telugu, some many things, sir. Like Netflix. I assume Netflix is the one package. Sir, inside the package, sub packages, sir. Sir, what is sub packages here? Like everything, sir, in Telugu and Tamil and Malayalam. Okay, sir. Inside the sub package, what's here? Same thing, modules. What is the modules are here? In this case, like a serial wise, like a drama movies, or like a love serial movies, anything, sir, here. Inside that, sir, again, categories. Asana, sir, there is a zero budget, there is a high budget, again categories. This kind of the same things at package also. Package contains sub packages and modules. Inside the modules, what, sir? Class and functions. Okay. Sir, what is this file, sir? Sir, this is the empty file. It indicates that is the package. Okay, sir. Sir, without this file, the folder is not a package. It doesn't, the Python doesn't understanding this is the package. Okay, sir. Okay. Now the structure is, sir, here. The structure is స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇప్పుడు గీయాలా ఒకసారి అంటే గూగుల్ ఉంటుంది స్ట్రక్చర్ చూపిస్తాను నేను వెయిట్ సార్ ఒకసారి అండి స్ట్రక్చర్ మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తే ఒకసారి ఎలాగ స్టార్ట్ చేసాం కదా పైథాన్ కేవీహెచ్పి వీరికి ఎక్కడ రాసి ఉంటాను మోడల్ ప్యాకేజెస్ ఓకే వెయిట్ structure where is the structure here yeah now structure so this one it's not easy to draw sir here manually that's why in the copy paste here structure so not a some make of time okay sir yeah I'd rather structure not a problem but this is previous batch okay sir sir this is what sir package that is the structure what sir here sir in this case sir sub package means insert the package that is also sir own empty file okay sir sir without a file there is not a package the file it indicates what sir here empty okay sir simple things sir here VS Code yeah simple things sir here check it out sir here in this case sir what sir here DRF project the same thing sir here wait we'll go to conference wait yeah now in this case sir check it out sir here in check it out sir oh init and init file sir in this case sir this init is what sir inside the DRF project this is what sir here inside the accounts sir this is inside the accounts so that means sir both are packages okay sir it indicates a package now I can wait open here what's sir here empty open here sir open this one empty it indicates only what's sir here it describes that is the package clear sir so that is the mandatory without a file that is not a package the Python make not a make the Python completely confusion that is the normal folder or package folder okay sir sir I have a Jupyter notebook sir in my laptop so I didn't need to install it again sir sir are you asking about the notebook only yeah sir if you have a okay Jupyter notebook then no need to install once again you can follow the same thing no need to install here okay yeah this is the package this is what sir here pip are you clear sir that is the pip next one sir here pip install asana sir now pip commands pip what sir here pip commands sir this is my numpy class sir pip install numpy that is our initial lesson but I want uninstall I want to upgrade okay sir I want to check my numpy version everything I want to show that is the pip only because the index only can responsible to everything index means what sir PYPI index now that is sir here the first thing sir pip install and package name. Sir, package name means, sir, here library name. Okay, sir. That is what, sir, here. Install package. The same thing, sir. This is the first one, sir, here. Next one, sir, here. The same thing. I want uninstall. That is what, sir, here. Uninstall directly. Uninstall package. Okay, sir. That is uninstall. Okay, sir. I want to install a package, install. I want uninstall, uninstall. Next one, sir, here. That is install -, upgrade. That is what, sir, upgrade my new version. Okay, sir. Install latest version. Okay. Next one, sir, here. Sir, in this case, pip install package equal to version number, version series, simply. Sir, what is the meaning here? Sir, in this case, sir, I don't know what is my version, but I want to install exactly version. Okay, sir. Simple, sir. Sir, I want to install Python. Then there is a number of versions. Exactly find out. But at the same thing, sir, I want to exactly install some NumPy version. That is what, sir? Equal to. Then what is the difference of equal and double equal? What, sir? Yeah. Equal means what, sir? Assignment operator. Okay, sir. Assign the variables. Assign the variables. Means comparison operator. Okay, sir. Check the equality. Are you clear? This is the equal and double equal to. For assign a variable double equal, compare the. Okay, sir. Compare. Okay. Okay, that is the check the equality. Okay, sir. Now, what is the difference of double equal and is? What's the next one, sir? Here? What is the difference of double equal and is? Anyone, sir? Here? Means check the values equality. Sir, very, very important, sir. Means check the reference of memory address. This is the difference. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the difference of double equal to and is? Double equal means, sir, check the equality numbers. Simple examples are here. Sir, if anyone interviewer asking, okay, sir, A equal to 100, B equal to 100. Now print of A double equal to be true or false, sir, here? True or false, sir? True. Asana, sir, the same thing, copy and paste here. Now in this case, sir, 300 and 300. Now, sir, true or false, sir? True. Asana, sir. Now the same thing, copy and print of A is B. Now the same thing, print of A is B. Now, sir, A is B, true or false, sir? True or false, sir, here? Now, sir, false. That is the difference. Okay, in this case, sir, Sir, both are the same. Then what is the meaning here? Sir, is nothing but sir, it depends on the reference memory address. Reference memory means what, sir, here? That means print of ID of A, print of ID of B. Same what, sir, memory address? Same or not, sir? The same thing. Copy, paste here. Same what, sir, here? Memory address? Different. That is the backside work. Sir, how I can know? In this case, sir, is always equal to -5 to 256 values. Values equal memory address. So this is the range, sir. Sir, inside any number, the same memory address. All are is true. In case 256 and 256. Sir, what, sir, here? What, sir? Both are same memory. But in case I want to write 7 and 7, what happens, sir, here? False. That is the range. Now the same things are here. -2 and -2. True. In case, sir, I want x -6, -6 or sir. That is the false. That is the range. Sir, very, very important, sir. What is the difference of is and double equal to? Because of, sir, I won't write one condition. Is also same thing. Double equal to same thing. Both are same property. Then which is the valid here? Where I can use the double equal to, where I can use the is condition. This is the thing. Are you clear, sir? Yeah. Now in this case, sir, because there's so many people asking the question, sir, why we are giving the double equal to here? Mouse నాకు ఎందుకు ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది కర్సర్ కనిపించ ఓకే సో సేమ్ మీనింగ్ సార్ ద పీపుల్స్ ఆస్కింగ్ సార్ వై we are using the double equal to. I want to use the e symbol because the version is what, sir? Series. Okay, sir, you are talking about the one what, sir? Number, not a memory. Clear, sir? I want to compare with value. Value means what, sir? Your version number. That's why you can use the double equal to. If you want to talk about the memory reference, then you can use the e symbol. Okay, that is the difference. Are you clear? Yeah. Next one, sir. Yeah. PIP. Install completed. Install package. Install upgrade and install. Okay. PIP. Okay. PIP and show and package name. What's the meaning here? That means show package name. Okay, sir. So sorry, package version, right? Show package version. Sir, I want to check my Python. Sorry, I want to check my NumPy version. How to, sir, here? Pip show package name. Okay, sir. The same thing. Sir, very, very important. This one is very, very important, sir. Pip install requirement.txt. Requirements.txt. Sir, very, very important, sir. This is the main thing, sir. Install. Sir, what is the meaning, sir, here? Sir, what is the meaning, sir, here? In this case, sir, simple things, sir, here. Sir, I have to handle the one project. Okay, sir. In this case, sir, already the project handled by the some person. Okay, sir. Sir, I don't know what are the packages installed right before thing. Okay, your old employee will give you the complete one libraries list. These are my libraries. I installed before that. That is the requirement txt file. Sir, this file I want to use in one more project. Then you can also run pip install /r and requirement txt. Sir, this requirement txt hold all the versions. All those versions. Are you clear, sir? Now at the same thing, sir. Sir, these 7, sir. Sir, 7 and 6 are most important for the real-time cases. Pip and freeze. Pip freeze requirement.txt. Install all packages at a time. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the meaning here? Sir, what is the meaning here? In this case, sir, add all the packages in requirement.txt from freeze. Sir, add all packages in to requirement.txt from where, sir? Freeze. Okay, sir. Because of, sir, what is the meaning here? Simple thing, sir. Wait. Yeah. Sir, this is right. This is 1 hour before that. Where is that one? Okay, this is one. Sir, this is my version. Python version here, virtual environment. Okay. Sir, in this place, I want install NumPy also. I want to install pandas also. Everything. But all those versions I want to store in one file. That is the requirement.txt file. This file you can handle number of projects. Simple things are here. The same thing. The first things are here. Pip install. Pip install NumPy. Right now, sir, going to the NumPy syllabus. Okay, sir? Yeah. Pip install NumPy. That is what, sir, your package name. Check it out, sir. I didn't give the anything here. Only NumPy. Because I don't know what are the versions in backside. Now, rightly, check it once, sir. It directly working with latest version. By default, sir, latest version is it downloaded. Now you can check installing. Wait. Ravi dot. Open my folder here. VENV. Where? Check it once, sir. The name. Where? My ENV. My కాదు కదా మంది. My ENV కాదు. మన డాటా. Only ENV. ఇది. Okay, sir. So right now, sir, there is no requirement.txt file. Sir, no, sir. Now the same thing, sir. Okay. Sir, what is the first comment, sir, here? Pip install complete. Now the same thing, paper show. Paper show or, sir, here, NumPy. What the meaning, sir? Sir, I want to know what is my NumPy version. Now, check it out, sir, here. Paper show and NumPy. What is, sir, here version? 2.4.2. Okay. Now the same thing, sir. Paper freeze. Paper freeze. Sir, what is the freeze here? Sir, right now, sir, the VENV, it hold these are the libraries. Okay, sir. But how many libraries installed, sir? Only two. Notebook and NumPy. Now, sir, I want those libraries add in my separate file. That is, sir, here pip freeze and .txt. Check it out, sir, here. రాలేదా? Wait. సో ఎందులో యాక్టివ్ కదా ఈఎన్వి స్క్రిప్ట్స్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ డాట్ ఈఎస్టివి deactivated activated file. Okay, sir, wait, sir, I can open the VS code. That is the better VS code. I can open the VS code. So right now, sir, there is no requirement TXT file. Okay, sir. Now I want activate, sir, here. VENV scripts. What, sir, here? That is the separate memory. This is the separate DRF, separate file, right? Activate. ENV. Right. My environment ENV kada. Activate spelling ತಪ್ಪ. Activate. Yeah. Now is it clear, sir, here? Right? Yeah. Now is it clear? Okay, sir. Oh, active spelling the press makada. Okay. Yeah. Sir, it's .NET. Sir, it's not. Okay. Okay, sir. This is my file. Now I want check, sir, here. Pip freeze. Pip freeze. So now, sir, in this case, sir, Django 1. Django REST framework. Zoom in the avadatu undi inka idi. Okay, no problem. Now, sir, how many, sir, here? Django and Django REST framework. The same thing, sir. I want to install. Copy. Delete చేస్తాం సార్ అనేది కొత్త తీసుకుందాం ఫైల్. Yeah. Yeah. I want to install what, sir, here? Pip install and numpy. స్లోగా ఉంది ఏంటి స్లోగా డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతున్నాయి. Yeah, install. Okay, sir. Now I can use pip freeze and what, sir, greater than symbol. Now requirement.txt sir, spelling చూసుకోండి sir. QU, right? QUI. Requirements R Y. ఎక్కడ QU. Require. ఓకే సరిపోయింది. ఓకే ఆ ఫ్లోలో వెళ్ళిపోతాం కానీ మళ్ళీ అడిగినప్పుడు మనకి ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. ఓకే నౌ వాట్ సార్ హియర్ ద ఫైల్ left side create check it out, sir, in a file. In this case, sir, add all the my libraries. Yes, sir, no, sir. This is the adding. Sir, how to create the requirement.txt file? By default, sir, what, sir, that is the pip freeze greater than symbol and requirement.txt. That is the one thing. Remaining, sir, another thing, sir, that is the create the manual file. But to create the manual, sir, the people make a mistake, so many mistakes. Okay, sir. That's why, sir, how to handle the pip only. Pip can handle every version name properly. Okay, sir. Sir, if you make a small mistake, that is the collapse your project. Yes, sir. If you change the small version name, completely collapse your project sometimes. Okay, sir. Don't do the manually. You can use the pip. Pip can responsible everything here. Okay, sir. That is the pip install packages. Are you clear, sir? Okay. Next one, sir, here uninstall. I want uninstall my numpy. Now the same thing, sir. Now uninstall. Check one, sir, here. Or, sir, here uninstalling. Okay. Now you can run, sir, here. Why? Where, sir? Okay. Why? Yeah. Successful uninstalled. Okay. Now the same thing. Command. Run it once, sir, here. Now check the command, sir, here. There is no numpy. Numpy, sir? There is no numpy. Why? Numpy is the uninstall. Okay, sir? The same thing. Deactivate. That is the deactivate. Where? Yeah. That is our, sir, deactivate. Are you clear? Yeah. You can use the pip upgrade also. Okay, sir? These are the pip commands. Next one, sir. Last one, sir. 8th one, sir. Last one. Pip list. Sir, the people, sir, thinking, sir, I know everything. This is the very easy. But right time, sir, you don't know. But when you facing the interview, the people asking the same these questions only. Starting questions. Because how to control your version? How to control library? Because, sir, if there is any mistake in the library, completely fault your project. Definitely, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. Simple thing, sir. Sir, unexpectedly, sir, I want to download some unexpectedly 480,000 pixel. Okay, sir. I want to connect the TV. How is the feeling, sir? Yeah. Small thing. Yes, sir. But actually, there's the 100,000, 100. Apart from that, I install the 480. I want to connect the TV. Then your feeling is very bad. Why? The movie is not a good. Asana sir. And the same thing, sir. When you change the version, if you don't know how to control the version, definitely the project is the some big mistake. Okay, sir. In the times there is so many bugs that happened. Okay, sir. Yeah. That's why the first thing, sir, handle the pip. These are the main pip commands. Okay, sir. The same thing is git also. Git commands are around, sir. Git 5 are the important git commands. Sir, if you know the pip and git, you can handle everything, sir. Okay. Pip means what, sir? Control your version. Git means what, sir? Control your cloud. Okay, sir. These two are the very, very important. Okay. Last one, sir. Pip list. That is what, sir, here. Return dependencies in tabular format. In tabular means 2-column table. 2-column table format. Okay, sir. Sir, left ones are here. Names, rights are here. Versions. Okay, sir. Pip freeze are here. That is requirement test format. These are the pip commands. What's the test format? Okay, sir. These are the pip commands. Pip is the complete, sir. Sir, now my basic is the completed. Okay, sir. Now what the time? Okay. Exactly half an hour there. Okay, I will start the NumPy directly. Okay, sir. So these are like, sir, completely introduction of the pip. Before starting the NumPy, what is the library? What is the pip? Okay, sir. How to run the pip? Okay, sir. What are the pip commands? Everything here. Okay. Okay. Now next one, sir. Here. Go to the directly NumPy. History of NumPy. History of NumPy. ఈ స్టోరీ దీనికి నాకంటే దారుణంగా ఉంది. History of NumPy here. Okay, sir. Now the first things are here. Sir, what is the NumPy? The NumPy is the numerical Python. Or sir, here. The NumPy is the numerical Python. Okay, sir. It is powerful Python open source library. Or sir, it is a powerful Python open source library. Okay, sir. For, okay, sir, mathematics and scientific computing. Scientific computing. Scientific. Okay, sir. Sir, if you have any spelling, you can change it, sir. Okay, I don't know complete spellings. I can flow with go. Okay, sir. Okay. Because I'm completely non-English medium background. Okay, I don't know. Okay. I can handle the language only, but I don't know spellings completely. Okay. It is the powerful Python open source library. Okay, sir. The main thing was, sir, here, mathematics and scientific computing. Okay, sir. Yeah. Sir, this is the first NumPy. Okay, sir. The next thing, sir, here. And essential for large data sets and multi-dimensional array in data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, sir. Sir, what's here? The main essential for the main role. The main role for, sir, the control or handle large data sets, large data sets and multi-dimensional array in data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is the main role. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the NumPy? The NumPy is the numerical Python. Okay, sir. The main thing, sir, this is also the main thing for it handle large data sets and multi-dimensional array in data science. Okay, sir. Yeah. Sir, what is the data science, sir? Yeah. Data collection just. Sir, the data science is nothing but, sir, the main things for that is the insight. To find insight, to find patterns, to find hide information. Sorry, to find hiding information. This is the data science. To train the model and predict the model. Okay, sir? Yeah. Sir, one more, sir. What is the data science? What is the data analyst and what is data analysis? Sir, data analyst is the old version. That is the user, sorry, that is the beginner level. Data analysis is the medium level. Data science is the advanced level. Okay. Sir, data analyst means, sir, it depends on past data. Okay, sir. Data analysis means, sir, it depends on past and present data. Data science means, sir, it depends on past and present and depends with algorithms to train the model and predict the model. That is the data science. That is the difference, sir. Okay. You have to go with the proper some knowledge. What is the data science? What is the data analysis? Okay, sir. Because, sir, data science is the father of data analytics and data analysis. Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. This is the NumPy. Next one, sir. Yeah. So NumPy modular package, sir. Sir, NumPy is the package, not a module, sir. Yeah. NumPy is the package. Okay. Yeah. Because of, sir, మళ్ళీ టచ్ చేశారా మళ్ళీ డెప్త్ ఓకే టచ్ చేస్తా అది కూడా చెప్పేస్తా సార్ అంటే మరి ఎందుకు ఎలాగ టచ్ చేశారు కదా ఓకే లెట్ మీ కంప్లీట్ దిట్ వన్ హిస్టరీ లెట్ మీ కంప్లీట్ ఫస్ట్ హిస్టరీ NumPy introduced by Jim Hagnin. Wait, sir. Then, so let's check the spelling. HUGG, Jim Hagnin, NumPy. Yeah, GU. HUGUNIN. మనమేమే మనకు గుర్తుంటుంది వాడే మనకే గుర్తుండదు స్పెల్లింగ్స్ అడగారు సార్ బట్ ఏంటి సార్ ఇప్పుడు అందరూ కూడా డెవలపర్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు కొంతమంది ట్రైనింగ్ రైట్ రావచ్చు నాలెడ్జ్ అందరు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇటీవల నో ప్రాబ్లం ఓకే సార్ సార్ వీఆర్ ది బేసింగ్ విత్ ద కంప్లీట్ ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ ఓకే సార్ సమ్ పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ విత్ ద ట్రైనింగ్ సెక్టర్ ఓకే సమ్ పీపుల్ గోయింగ్ విత్ డెవలప్మెంట్ సెక్టర్ ఓకే సార్ యా మై పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్ ద బెటర్ కంప్యూటర్ డెవలప్మెంట్ బట్ రైట్ నౌ యూ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఇస్ ద difference. As a development, sir, you will get per salary yearly wise. The same salary as the trainer I will get the only monthly wise. That is the difference. Okay, sir, because we are getting the hourly basis. Developer, sir, end of the month you can wait. That is the difference. That's why, sir, I resign my job from IBM to here. Okay, sir. Okay. Now, introduced by Jim Hagnin. Okay, sir. NumPy introduced Jim Hagnin in year of 1995, sir. That is, sir, the basic information. Not important, sir. This point, not important. Only, sir, Python. What, sir? When the Python installed, sir? Sorry, when the Python was introduced? 91 officially, but before 89. Sir, 89 is the first date of birth. 91 is official. Who, sir? Who invited? Guido von Rossum. Okay, sir. What is the backstory of a Python name? How the Python name came from here? What is the circus, sir? What is the complete circus name? Monty Python Flying Circus. That is the one BBC telecast comedy sketch Britain channel. That is that. Okay, sir. The Python name came from one BBC telecast channel. That is Monty Python Flying Circus. Okay, sir. Yeah. Now, next one, sir. Yeah. The first. Voice. Yeah. The first, sir. The first NumPy name. The first NumPy, sir. That is the numeric. The first word, sir. The first NumPy name numeric. Then it can develop by num numeric. Next one, sir, NumPy. This is the period. How the NumPy develop. Okay, sir. Sir, before starting the NumPy, the name is what, sir? Num numeric. Before the num numeric, sir? Numeric. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the Python? The Python name is not a Python. The Python is C Python, not a Python. You know, right? The Python name is not a Python. C Python. Sir, if you people are using the not a Python, C Python. Now the Jupyter also not a Python. That is a C Python. Sir, Python name is that is PyPy. That is the Python. Actually name. But we people are using the C Python. This is our Python. This is the actual Python. This is the pure Python. Pure Python. Sorry, pure Python. This is the C Python. C language Python. Sir, Python develop with C language only. Okay, sir? Okay. Simple thing, sir. Have a small doubt, sir. How can you check the Python name? Now, simple things are here. Import platform. Platform dot. The name is, wait. Yeah, Python implementation. So you want, sir, your Python name? That is the C Python. Sir, not a complete pure Python. Whatever we are using, that is what, sir? C Python, not a pure Python. Sir, this is, sir, very speed, sir. PyPy is the some speed compared to C Python. But it doesn't support complete all the libraries. It's not your syllabus. Okay, sir. As a developer, sir, that is you know everything. Okay, sir. But you don't know, you don't need anything here. Okay, sir. Anyone asking what is your Python, and that is the C Python. Okay, yeah. Because of, sir, the Python built with C language. Okay, sir. Jitan means, sir, built with Python. Iron Python, sir, built with Python. But how the Python built, that is the C language. In this case, a small thing. Okay. Note point here. How the Python build from C language. Oh, sorry, sir. Python handle function syllabus from C language. Python handle OOP syllabus, that is the C++. Python handle scripting syllabus, that is the shell, what the parallel shell, parallel shell, SHELL shell, SHEL maybe the name, SHEL, okay, shell. Okay, sir. These are, sir. How the Python build? The basic knowledge, sir. Sir, what are the I want to use the function? The function built by C language. Okay, sir. What are using the OOPs? The OOPs built by C++. Script, sir, parallel shell. Okay, sir. Yeah. Sir, most of the all the syntax is built by C language. Because C++ words are built by C only. That's why the name is C Python. Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. This is what, sir, here. History of NumPy. Hariki, sir, no need to history, sir. Not important. So don't waste your time on theory part. Okay, sir. Sir, Python history is important, sir. Because that is the core. Okay, sir. But not important for the this line. This is also not important sometimes. But I don't know if the people are asking or not. But you have to remember. Numeric, numeric and NumPy. Okay, sir. The same thing, sir, here. Now, NumPy is also numerical Python and Python open source and what's here? The main thing for large data sets and multi-dimensional array. Because now the question. Oh, sir, can I start it? Syllabus one by one? Yeah. Can I show the syllabus paper, index paper? Okay. Where did I write, sir? Yeah. Okay, sir. From tomorrow onwards, sir, completely go to the syllabus. Okay, sir. Completely theory report, everything is complete. It's not your batch. So, okay, sir. The interview question, sir, not your batch. Different. NumPy. Yeah, NumPy. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. See one, sir, here. This is the NumPy syllabus. Don't worry, sir. I will copy and paste in your file. Yeah. Sir, this is your NumPy syllabus. Okay, sir. You can check it once. First thing, sir, very easy, sir. Sir, it's very easy concept. NumPy is that. But NumPy is the head of a pandas. NumPy is the brain of a pandas. If you know the NumPy, you can handle the pandas. Sir, if you know the proper NumPy, pandas is very easy, sir. If you know the list, NumPy is very easy. Okay, sir. Sir, if you know the proper list, tuple is very easy. Set easy. Dictionary easy. If you know the proper list, NumPy very easy. Because both are what, sir? Square brackets. NumPy means what, sir, here? Array. So NumPy means what, sir, here? Array. Now, sir, wait. Write the note point here. The NumPy built by C and C++ language based on array concept. In sorry, hi, Sarah. What's and yeah, hi. So now only wake up what? Okay. The NumPy built by C and C++ based on array concept. Okay, sir. That's why, sir, compared to will list operation help in the NumPy concept? Wait, yes, sir. That's why the NumPy is very speed compared to list. Yeah. If anyone asking why the NumPy is the very speed, why you have to learn the NumPy apart from the list? Sir, both are the same. Asana, sir. Because the NumPy is built by what, sir? Built by C language. C is the very speed compared to Python. Okay, sir. Because C is what, sir? C can handle low level and high level. Asana, sir. Sir, Python and Java all are the high level, only high level. But C high level. The same thing, sir. Low level also. It can handle the both. Okay, sir. Sir, low level means, sir, you can do manually CPU operations. Manually control the CPU memory management. But in Python, sir, automatic memory management. Sir, no, sir. Python also automatic memory management. But in C, you can control the manual also. That is the low level. Low level means that the human can the human can control the CPU as a manually. But high level means, sir, you can working with the language. You can understand the language. You can't control the memory management. Okay, sir, but not important. But you can understanding what is low level and high level. Okay, yeah. This is the complete NumPy. This is the syllabus area. Sir, if anyone asking what are the NumPy features? Okay, sir. Every heading is the one feature, sir. Every heading. What's here? The first feature, sir, here. Index and slicing is the one feature. Okay, sir. Vectorization broadcasting is the one feature. The NumPy support reshaping and concatenation is the one feature. The NumPy support statics is the one feature. The NumPy support what, sir? Data cleaning, data pre-processing. NumPy support linear algebra. Sir, every unit is the one feature. Okay, sir? Are you okay? Yeah, what the time? 30, oh, 16 only. Okay, no problem. Are you clear? Yeah, next one, sir. Go the next one. 15 minutes is there, right? No problem. I will start the next one. Clear? Sir, are you okay, sir? Online people? Am I very speed today? No. Sir, will list operations. Okay. Wait, sir. Now I will say about the list and NumPy. Wait, don't worry. Hi, sir. Notes, sir. Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. Today I will send the notes. Okay, sir. Yeah. So last end of the 5 minutes, sir, I will teach how to open the notes also. Sir, same thing, sir. How to write the code, the same file I send it your Google Classroom. Same format, same color also. You can visible the same color. Okay, sir. Don't worry. How I can write the file, the same letters and same color. You can visible. Okay, sir. Don't worry. I can tell you. Sir, any pre-knowledge require other plan to Python basic to handle to NumPy. Require other than Python basic to handle NumPy. Wait. Yes, sir. Only data types, sir. Data types concept is the required. Sir, data is concept is required, sir, to handle the numpy. Because of sir, I want to handle the data. Data means sir, either integer, either float, either char, either string. Sir, both are the same. Char and string both are the same. And it's either complex, either boolean. Okay, sir. So that's why sir, you have to proper knowledge about the data types. Okay, sir. Remaining is not important. But remaining, if you know, you can handle the conditions in a NumPy and Pandas. Okay, sir. Sir, which is the best Anaconda or VS Code, sir? Sir, okay, sir. Sir, I prefer always Jupyter, sir. It's very speed. Very speed, okay. Anaconda is a very speed. That is the data science only. But I prefer lightweight body. Sir, as a fresher level, sir, don't use the Anaconda and VS Code because these are the order recommendations. VS Code is also order recommendation. Anaconda order recommendation is available? Anaconda? No? Sir, PyCharm, Anaconda, sorry, PyCharm and VS Code, it gives the order recommendations. When you start the code, it complete the code. Yes or no, sir? But as the user, sorry, as the beginner level, you can try with the manual only, end to end. So simple thing, sir. If I start with the VS Code, I don't want to write anything here. But how you can understand the data? So as a faculty, sir, I want to use the VS Code. When I start the for I, it's automatically print, automatic condition. Then how you can learn from a faculty? Yes or no, sir? As the same thing, sir, you have to write the manually as individual pin by pin. Okay, sir? Sir, don't use the VS Code as the beginner level. Sir, when you know the proper condition, then you can go, no problem. Sir, I know the conditions. You can go the VS Code system. But as a beginner level, sir, start with the Jupyter. Okay, sir? Yeah. Sir, I am going today. Can you send me the Google Classroom code? Sir, did you, I think, did they provide any Google Classroom code? నాకు ఇవ్వాలి గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ కోడ్ ఈరోజు అడుగుతానండి ఒకసారి సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ సార్ ఓకే ఓకే సార్ ఓకే సార్ టుడే ఐ విల్ సెండ్ ద నోట్స్ డోంట్ వరీ ఓకే సార్ ఐ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ ద గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ కోడ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ అడ్మిన్ సార్ ఆఫ్టర్ డెమోస్ వీ విల్ గివ్ ద నోట్స్ డెమో సార్ ఎస్టర్డే హార్ట్స్ నాట్ డెమో ఎస్టర్డే మీకు సెల కోసం మాట్లాడా అది డెమో కోసం మాట్లాడుతున్నావా సార్ ఇదంతా డెమో ఏం కాదు సార్ ఇదంతా కూడా సార్ ఇప్పుడుదా మీరు డెమో అనుకుంటున్నారా సార్ ఇదంతా డెమో కాదు సార్ లైక్ ఏ స్టార్టింగ్ థియరీ పార్ట్ when I start in the NumPy, this is the theory part only. What is the library? What is the pip and everything? So this is not a demo. Wait. NIT, it been after demos. Okay, sir. Ma'am, this is not a demo, ma'am. This is not a demo. Ma'am, this is the regular classes. Sir, how long will YouTube videos post, sir? Yeah. YouTube post, ever post చేస్తున్నారు YouTube. So sorry, sir. I don't know about things, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah, ma'am, you can post the Google Classroom code inside the maybe WhatsApp. Sorry, inside the chat or anything. I don't know how you can send it. Okay, sir. Maybe sir, for first 2 or 3 classes can be considered as the demos. 2 or 3 classes. Super, sir. You can stay for the demos. Sir. I will start the class here. Sir, this is the running class, sir. This is not a Python. Sir, this is not a demo, sir. Here. అందుకే సార్ కొంతమందికి చెప్పను ఎందుకంటే మీ డెమోస్ ఫీల్ అవుతారని చెప్పను ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ మాదిరిగా ఎందుకంటే సార్ ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ప్రతిదీ మనం మాట్లాడుకోవాలి సార్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఐఎమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఇయర్ లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సింబల్స్ ఇయర్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇయర్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ వితౌట్ అ ప్రాపర్ మీనింగ్ హౌ యూ కెన్ హ్యాండిల్ సమ్ పీపుల్ యూజింగ్ ద ఈక్వల్ సింబల్ ఇయర్ ఓన్లీ బికాస్ దట్ ఇస్ ద వేరియబుల్ numpy equal to variable numpy hold version name that is also valid as a user friendly then why you are using the double equal symbol what is the meaning here that is the particular version that's what I'm saying here okay sir sir without these conditions you can't control the library okay sir yeah now next one sir yeah the last thing sir 10 minutes sir okay I can heading there what is the difference of numpy and python list okay sir other thing why the numpy is more required compared to list why should we use numpy inside data science apart from the list Sir, any questions are the same answer. If some any interviewer asking what is the difference of NumPy and Python, why the NumPy is more required compared to list? Okay, sir. Why should we use the NumPy inside the data science apart from the list? Sir, both are the same meaning. The main thing is what, sir? The main thing we are talking about the NumPy. What is the difference of NumPy and list? What are the advantages of NumPy? What are the disadvantages of list? Okay, sir. Sir, all are the same questions. Okay, sir. Are you clear? Now, first one, sir, here. First one, list. I will start with the list. Second one, sir, here, NumPy. This is the two persons, two categories. Okay. The first thing, sir, here. What is the list? The collection of heterogeneous elements. Sir, no, sir. What is the list, sir? The list is the collection of heterogeneous elements. Sir, no, sir. The next thing, sir, here. List is enclosed with square bracket. Enclosed with square braces. Okay, sir. Now the same thing. What is the number, sir, here? The collection of homogeneous elements. The collection of homogeneous elements. Sir, what is the hetero? Hetero means different data type nature. Same data type nature. Okay, sir. The same thing, sir. NumPy also. Yeah, wait, sir. I will tell you. Wait, no problem. NumPy is enclosed square braces. Sir, no, sir. Next one, sir, here. List is the mutable nature. That means we can increase the size of list. Sir, no, sir. We can, sir, we can increase the size of list. Okay, sir. Yeah. Sir, mutable means, sir, here. Mutable means what, sir, here? Data can be manipulated. Manipulated means what, sir? Change or update anything here. Okay, sir. Now, in this case, NumPy. NumPy is immutable. Means what, sir? Data cannot be manipulated. Okay, sir, yeah. Now, next thing, sir, yeah. Sir, NumPy is the one type of array. Okay, sir. NumPy is the one type of array. Okay, sir. Error ayadde. Endukante array kuda different untundi. Malli mere problem avutundi. Sir, in a Python, array is different, NumPy is different, sir. The NumPy is nothing but array. But in a Python support, array is a different package. NumPy is a different package. Okay, sir? Yeah. NumPy is the fixed size. Fixed size. Sir, object can be changed without changing their memory locations. Super, sir, here. Yeah. Object can be changed. Okay. Oh, sir. NumPy is what, sir, here? Fixed size. Okay, sir? Yeah. If you want to increase the size of NumPy, then it create a new object. If you want to increase the size of number, then it create a new object. But in this case, if you want to increase the size of a list, it increase on the the same object. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no, sir? But in this case, sir, when you want to increase the numpy, it is what, sir, to separate from the original numpy. Both are different. Okay, sir, it creates the new object. But in the lister, the same object. Are you clear, sir? Yeah. That's why, sir, inside the list we are talking about the copy, shallow copy, deep copy, assignment copy. You complete the copies. Shallow copy, deep copy, and assignment copy. Okay, sir? Yeah. Yeah. Now, list support, index, and slicing. Okay, sir? NumPy is what, sir, here? NumPy also support index and slicing. By using of list, we can access single element by the index. So how many elements, sir? Only one. Asana, sir. But in this case, sir, NumPy support multi-index nature. That means, sir, yeah, wait, simple I can write. List doesn't support multi-index nature. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the meaning in multi-index nature? Small example, sir. Yeah. List equal to 789. Okay, sir. LST of 0. Or sir, here 7. Now the same thing. Import NumPy. Import NumPy as np dot array. Now you can pass 7, 8, 9. Okay, sir. Now I want to store here. That is the some ARR. Okay. Now in this case, sir, ARR 0. Sir, both are the same. Asana, sir. Now you can print here. Print 7 and 7. Asana, sir. Now in this case, sir, I want to use or sir here. That is the multi-index nature. I want to access the same index, sorry. I want to access multiple indexes at a time. But in the same thing, sir, here, copy and paste in the list. List doesn't support. List indices must be integer or slice, not a list. Are you clear, sir? This is the multi-index nature. So don't worry, sir. I can explain one point by point, some with the proofs also. What is the meaning here? Okay, sir? Yeah. Any pending, sir, here? Wait, sir, here. Any main apart from that, any pending? List support completed. Okay, sir. Yeah, these are the some different points. Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay. This is the list and NumPy. And one more, sir, here, right here. List occupy high memory and low memory accuracy. Sorry. Occupy high time and low memory accuracy. Okay, sir. NumPy is the low time with good memory accuracy. Okay. Time duration. Time durations are the first things are here. NumPy. Okay, sir. Next things are here. Array. Next things are here. A list. Oh, sorry. Otherwise, sir, this is the better maybe. This is the better symbol. Okay. Oh, this is the better. Okay, sir. This is what, sir, here. That is low to high. Okay, sir. What's the meaning, sir? The NumPy it will occupy low time. Okay, sir. That means that speed it execute very speed. Low time means what, sir? The speed or simply, sir, means speed. Time duration means what, sir, here? Speed only. Okay, sir. In this case, sir, it list occupy high time means, sir, here low speed. Okay, sir. This is the speeding nature. The same thing, sir, here. Memory accuracy. Memory accuracy. The same thing, sir, here. numpy and array and the list. That is sir here. So what do we do, sir? Low to రెండింటికి సేమే కదా. Okay, low to high. Wait. Okay, less easy. Yeah. Now, yeah. Okay, sir. రెండు వర్డ్స్ సార్, low to high, low to high. ఎక్కడ తప్పు రాసినట్టుంది ఇక్కడ. తప్పు రాయలే కదా. ఓకే, ఎక్కడ low to? మీకు ఇలా అర్థం అవుతుందా? అంటే టైం తక్కువ తిని ఇలా అనుకున్నా. ఓకే, మీకు అలా కంప్లీట్ లాగాలి సార్. టైం ద మీనింగ్ ఇస్ టైం లో. టైం లో మీన్స్ వాట్ సార్? స్పీడ్. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే, బట్ యువర్ చాయిస్. ఓకే, how you can comfort, you can change it, sir, no problem. Okay sir, yeah, these words are here: speed and memory accuracy. Sir, memory accuracy means, sir, occupy the memory. Compared to list, sir, numpy is the very low memory. Tomorrow I will show the complete proof also. What is the time it will take the for execution, for other things, or any function execution in numpy and array and list. Okay sir, don't worry sir. Yeah sir, from tomorrow onwards completely go with the syllabus wise. Okay sir. First thing sir, history. Now only today is today started with history, right? Yeah. So from tomorrow onwards, sir, directly go with the coding. There is no theory part, sir. Already theory is the completed, as I know that. Okay sir. As the required for the numpy completed. Okay sir. Next thing is all the functions, all the numpy functions. What is the zero? What is the I? What is the identity matrix? What is the I matrix? What is the zero matrix? Okay sir. What is the linear matrix? Everything here. What is the full? What is the fill? And everything. Okay. Yeah. Okay sir, wait one more sir. Sir, if I send any notes, okay, how you can open here? Sir, in this case, wait sir here. Yeah. Now okay, any Python scripting here, wait. Sir, if you assume sir here, sir, this is the your file. If you okay, the same thing sir, you will get a file .html .html. Okay sir, because of sir, you can see the proper elements, proper color. How I can write here? Now sir, right click here. Okay sir, open new tab. Okay, now then you can see the download button. So right now sir, the file, this is the thing right now, HTML format. Then you can download the button. Download here. Right, yeah, download. Open the file here. What happened? It will take time. Wait, I can download here. Yeah, download. Okay sir, open the file. The same pattern you will see the file in your laptop. Same format. How I can write the file? The same thing sir. Okay sir, in my file sir, I will write the errors, I will write the correction, everything sir. Whatever the error, I can keep quite there, I can still keep, because also you have to understanding why this is the error. Okay sir, yeah, the same things I can copy and send it. Okay, yeah sir, one thing sir, if you have any doubt, you can clarify now only in this class only. Okay sir, no problem sir. I've Telugulo sir. సార్ క్లాసులో ఆల్మోస్ట్ అందరూ తెలుగు వాళ్ళే కదా, మీరు కూడా తెలుగులో చెప్తే బాగుంటుంది కదా, మాకు కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది. అవును సార్, నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది సార్, బట్ రెమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళు సార్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళ పరిస్థితి ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? సార్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ సార్ దేర్ ఇస్ సమ్ నాన్ తెలుగు పీపుల్స్ ఆల్సో. సార్ ఐ లవ్ ద తెలుగు ఆల్సో సార్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇట్ నాట్ ఏ పాసిబుల్ ఇయర్. Sir, I am not unable to attend offline. Sir, I am not unable to attend offline today. By tomorrow we will. Oh, sorry, I am unable to attend offline today. Okay sir, by tomorrow you will. Definitely sir, up to your choice sir. Sir, my suggestion, everybody come to the offline mode. Okay sir, yeah. Other things sir, up to your choice. Yes, I don't speak Telugu. Yeah, I know sir, I know you don't speak Telugu. That's why I'm saying yes sir. Okay, don't worry sir. Okay sir, if you have any doubt, or if you have some, if you don't understand any English word sir, I can explain Telugu, not a problem. Okay sir, yeah. Okay, you may leave. Sir, don't I think miss the class. Okay, sir, if you're missing the class, sir, I'm not responsibility. Okay, sir? Because my class is very speed. Already you people are understanding my voice also. When I start the class completely with go flow, go and flow. Okay, sir? Yeah. Okay, you may leave, sir. Sir, I am Sivan that okay, sir. Okay. Then what? Can you share anyone admin number? Sir, recording where I can get. Okay, sir. For the recording, sir, you can contact admin only. Yeah, Kavya admin. Uh, you may leave, sir. Sir, ma'am, can you send the link one more time? Yeah. Ma'am, you can add my number also. Wait. Okay. We may leave, sir. Online people have to leave.
guys, being a data science people, you must and should understand this inferential statistics concept at high level. Okay, everywhere you're using linear regression, logistic regression, Naive-Bayes algorithm. Okay, all the concepts are in statistics. That too, inferential statistics. Clear? And this. See, the key concepts. See how the descriptive statistics will be measured by using measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, and visualization. Same way, this inferential statistics is also subdivided into three important sections or three important tools. What are those? Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing, which means hypothesis testing involves making the assumptions like hypothesis about the population parameter and testing these assumptions using the sample. Means, see, as I mentioned, I wanted to launch a drug, new medicine into the market. What I'll do, I'll take a group of people, then I'll take a sample group of people, then I'll give a medicine. Then I'll wait for a few weeks or few days, then I'll collect the reactions. Depending upon the reactions, I have a two hypothetical statement. One, the drug is effective, the drug is not effective. Drug is effective and drug is not effective. So if it is effective, then I can launch it into the market, entire population. If it is not effective, I'm not going to launch it. You get my point? I'm taking the decision about the population by checking the sample. Yes or no? So that is what hypothesis testing. Okay, hypothesis testing involves making the assumptions about the population parameter and testing these assumptions using the sample data. The common hypothesis test that we are going to use is t-test, chi-square test, and ANOVA test, z-test. Okay, we are going to learn all these concepts in depth. See, guys, I'm telling you it's an intro. That's why I'm giving you just overall, just an overview kind of thing. Okay, see, next, confidence interval, and also we are going to learn about the regression analysis as well. We are going to learn about see, apart from this descriptive and inferential statistics, also we are going to learn about the probabilities. And also we are going to learn about the probability distributions as well. Okay, so throughout this course, we are going to learn about descriptive, inferential, probability, and probability distributions. You clear? So this is about inferential statistics. So we'll discuss in depth about hypothesis testing, confidence interval, regression analysis in upcoming sessions. So people in online, is this clear, guys? Is this clear about the inferential statistics? No worries. When we discuss about in depth, again I'll explain you with different examples. Good. Okay. Now let's see. Being a data scientist or being a data analyst. See, both the people will use the same way. Okay, being a data scientist or being a data analyst. What are the applications of a statistics in my regular day-to-day life? Being a data scientist, I'm not talking about a general human being. Being a data scientist, where I use. See, the statistics plays a crucial role in data science. The data scientists use statistical methods to interpret the large data sets. See, guys, whenever you people are building the machine learning algorithms, why you build machine learning algorithms? You give some data to the machine, it will learn the data. You people know what is the machine learning and all? People in online, you people know how the machine learning will work? What is the concept behind the machine learning or machine learning algorithms? People in online, prediction. Yeah. See, guys, I'll say, for example, I wanted to predict whether a person, see, you go to the bank, see, everybody will go and apply the loan in bank. Loan, see, people might be surprised that if the loan got rejected. So the people might think if I give some money as a side to the manager, or if I give a treat to the manager, then the manager will approve me a loan. No, it's not like that. You people might think that whatever the people sit in the bank, the people will collect your data, the people maintain the data. No, not at all. They just enter the data into the system. They just count the money. That's all. Nothing at all. Every bank is associated with the big tech companies. Every bank is associated with a particular tech companies. For example, you're talking about ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank data will be handled by the company called Wipro. Wipro clients. All the client information is available there only. You get my point? So, like that, for example, say, guys, if I'm giving a loan to a particular person, he's going to be a fraud. I don't know that information in PR. So, if I give a loan of 10 lakhs, he's not at all paying, not responding to my phone. So, how much struggle I need to face to collect my money back? So, no. To avoid that, if I have a flexibility to predict in PR whether he's going to be a fraud or not, then it will be very easy for me to save time, save money. Yes or no? So, what I'll do means, being a data scientist, I use a concept called machine learning. What I'll do, I collect a sample of 1,000 customers who took a loan and committed for a fraud. And also I'll take a sample of 1,000 customers who took a loan and paid in time. Total 2,000 customers. I'll give the data to the machine learning algorithm. It will try to identify the patterns. What patterns? Let's say there is a customer from Amirpet. Okay, his educational qualification is intermediate. He took a loan about 10 lakhs and committed for a fraud. This pattern will be memorized by the machine learning algorithms. So next, a new person is coming for a loan. Then what I'll say, I'll give you the same demographic information of the person to the machine. What is that? The new person who is asking for the loan, he is also from Amirpet. Good. And the old person is also from Amirpet. That fellow qualification is intermediate. This fellow qualification is intermediate. That fellow monthly income is 20,000 and took a loan of 10 lakhs, committed fraud. This fellow monthly income is 10,000 only, but this fellow is asking the loan about 20 lakhs. So easily my machine will understand, okay, I have seen such a fellow. I have seen already this kind of people. So that fellow committed for a fraud. So there is a 90% chance accuracy that new person is also going to be a fraud. Like that, it will give me the prediction. Depending upon the prediction, I'll take the decision whether to approve a loan or not. Here, the way you are collecting the sample, right, that involves statistics. Getting my point? So and you're training the machine learning. You're training the machine by giving the algorithms. The algorithm is a statistical concept. Okay, see. So that's why interpreting the large data sets, identifying the trends, you cannot go through the entire data. There you have to go by the sample. From the sample, you need to test. So everything is done by using the statistics. Even to identify the trends, to make the predictions, everywhere you use statistics. You see, you people do the exploratory data analysis. See, can anyone tell me what is the life cycle of a machine learning project? online or offline people, can anyone tell me what is the life cycle of a machine learning project? You people all are data scientists only, right? Tell me. What is the life cycle of a machine learning algorithm? What is the first step, second step, third step, or phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? What are those? Data collection, cleaning data, EDA, more? That's all. See, guys, it's a very, very important question in your interview. You're saying, sir, I'm a machine learning engineer. What is the workflow? Collection of a data set, cleaning a data set, training a data set, EDA, testing. Okay, I'll simplify. You people are saying collecting the data, cleaning the data. See, I wanted to see the shopping behavior of Indian people. So I go collect the USA people data. Will it be okay? Will it be okay? No. Before even collecting the data, identifying the problem statement is important. Identifying the objectivity is the step one. First, whenever a client comes to you, understand what is the requirement. Identify the objectivity, problem statement. After that, according to your problem statement, collect an appropriate data that will help you to address that particular question. Collecting the data. Once you collect the data, you do inspection. Sanity checks, we say. How many records we have, how many columns we have, do we have missing values, do I need to change the column names? Inspection first. After inspection, in the inspection, you got some problems, solve those problems by using data cleaning and the data pre-processing. Once the data is fully cleaned, data cleaning is mandatory. See, being a data scientist, 80% of your job goes into data cleaning only. I share my experience. I worked in one particular company for 2.5 years. 1 year completely we spent in data collection and data cleaning only. Every month, the client used to give me the data. There are a lot of mistakes. Sometimes mobile number comes in the number format, sometimes string format. We coded everything in automatic. So first time we coded as a number, giving me error. Now, so like that, we need to identify and we need to customize the code. After cleaning the data, we need to give the good input to the machine learning algorithms. Then only you get a good output. If you give the useless data to the machine, it will identify the useless patterns. It will give you the useless predictions. So to get the better accuracy, you must clean your data. After cleaning the data, you split the data into training data, testing data. Then you train the machine by giving the training data. You test the algorithm performance. You validate the performance of the algorithm is not at all performing good. Then you go by changing the algorithm. You go by collecting more data. You go by collecting more data. You get my point? So that's how you use. After that, validation. If it is validating, the performance is not good, the accuracy, the performance metrics are not good, then you go by recollecting the data and you go by using hyperparametric tuning, parametric tuning. Okay, you fix something in algorithm. Like that, you keep on testing. Continuous monitoring, continuous update of the algorithm. Next, deployment. This is the life cycle of a machine learning project. You clear? So when someone asks you in an interview, you have to explain in the same way, guys. It's very, very mandatory. You should know every phase of your project. Okay. So people in online, is this clear about the machine learning life cycle, guys? Good. I'll answer your question, Mr. Mohammed. Okay. See, so in that phase, we are going to do the exploratory data analysis to understand about your data. Inspection, I said. So to understand, we use exploratory data analysis. See, EDA, statistics will help you to get the summary information out of your data to uncover the patterns. And also in machine learning. In machine learning also we use statistics. See, a statistical techniques such as regression, classification, and clusterings are the fundamental in building the predictive models. Yes or no? Machine learning algorithms are built on top of statistical principles only. And next, if you wanted to do the A by B testing, A by B testing means, what do you mean by A by B testing? Inferential statistics is used to compare the two or more variants to determine which one performs better than others. See, if you wanted to do the inferential about the population by looking at the sample, we use this. See, what you're doing, whenever you're training the machine, you're giving some random data, you're giving some sample data as a training input. Yes or no? Some random data sample as a testing. See, whenever you work in any project in any client, the client will never ever share the complete data with you. If the data is completely given to the algorithm, let's say you're giving 20 billion data to the machine to learn, it will take huge time to give you the prediction output. Yes or no? What we do, we collect a sample, we'll give it. And specifically, what I mean to say that A by B testing means, for example, I wanted to understand. See, a supermarket, I'm running a supermarket. I wanted to see if a person is buying a milk packet, then what is the chance the person is going to buy a bread packet? Remember, if a person is buying a milk packet, then what is the chance of happening A when the event B is already happened? If I got to know that, have you people observed or not? I don't know. You go and see any supermarket, all the milk products are in the same rack. Bread, milk packet, peanut butter will be in the same section. Why? Because it's already proved theory. The people buying the milk will most probably buy the bread packet as well. The people buying the peanut butter will definitely buy the bread packet. So that is called A by B testing. That is called A by B testing. Being a data scientist, you people should definitely know what is this A by B testing. Okay, I'll plan to give a practical intuition about A by B testing, how we are going to do this thing. Okay, clear? Next, whenever you're going to collect the sample, when you are going to get the sample itself, sampling, you might be thinking that, see, for example, in a classroom, there are 50 students. I wanted to check whether the students in this classroom are good or bad. Usually, in general, the people will believe that first bench students are bright students, last bench students are useless students. General, everybody will think. Okay, we also believe the same statement. So what I'll do, I'll go and conduct a merit test for the first bench students. Everybody got 95% score. So shall I go and confirm that all the students in this classroom are excellent? Wrong decision. Okay. Let me go and collect a sample of all the last bench students. Everybody failed. So shall I go and say that all the people in this classroom are worst? No. Let's say I took a sample of 10 students, completely male candidates. Completely male candidates. So shall I go and take a decision about the class by taking that? No. You people think that sample is very easy, but collecting a proper sample is also important. So how to collect the sample? The sample techniques will also be explained in the statistics. Okay. The way you are collecting the data, the way you are collecting the sample is also a statistics. Even in data cleaning and pre-processing. See, you're handling the missing values by using mean median mode. Mean median mode. So mean median mode are nothing but statistics. To detect the outliers, we are using the box plot. We're using IQ or interquartile range. We use Z-score. All these concepts are statistics only. Okay, that's what, which will enable you to do the data pre-processing. Okay, so even though you are going to do the predictive analysis, see, by applying the regression models and statistical tests, the data scientists can forecast the future. Forecast means predicting about the future. Okay, future trends, sales, customer behavior in future, and all the other things. You clear? So this is how the statistics is going to help the data science people or even data analytics people. Clear? Clear? So tomorrow we see about what is the population and sample, and also we see about the descriptive data collection techniques. We see about descriptive statistics. We see about measures of dispersion. Okay, measures of dispersion, and we see about data visualization. Okay, is this clear? See, today is the day one. I don't wanted to go in depth of the technicalities of the concepts. I'm just going through the overview. Okay, so people in online, is this clear, guys? Whatever we have discussed. Any questions? Any questions? Yeah, coming to the recordings and all, the admin people will take care of that, guys. Good, good, good. The course duration will be 3 weeks. Okay, the course duration will be 3 weeks, guys. Okay, yeah, free only. Okay, can you please share this PPT in WhatsApp? Sure. Don't worry, guys. I'll talk to this admin people. Okay, we'll make sure that you'll get the presentation file, whatever we have discussed today. Not only today, guys. In upcoming days also, we are going to use the same presentation file. See, in this PPT, I have around 118 pages. 118 pages. Okay, so I'll share this. Okay, no worries. Okay, sir, we'll get Google Classroom link. Yeah, you get the information in Classroom, guys. Admin people will share you that all. Okay, thank you. So, how do you feel, guys? Is this informative? You're able to understand what I'm trying to say, or do I need to change something else? Are all good? Very well explained. Thank you. See, offline classes in this Narasheti New Campus, 4th floor. Narasheti New Campus, 4th floor. See, guys, if possible, try to come for offline. Okay, because it will be very easy for you to understand. Like, even I can match your expressions. Okay, that's what. Good. Thank you, guys. Which location means Narasheti New Campus? You can search it in a Google itself, you'll get it. Okay, guys. In that case, we close the session. We'll see tomorrow again, same time, 9 o'clock. Clear? So we clearly understood this topic. Thank you, and please. Only continue. Yeah, I only do. Okay, guys. Then thank you. Yeah, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.